AirPlay technology enables seamless wireless streaming from your iPhone to Skyworth televisions. As of 2025, Skyworth has significantly enhanced their AirPlay 2 integration across their smart TV lineup. AirPlay provides three primary streaming capabilities. Screen mirroring allows you to display your iPhone screen directly on the TV. Media streaming enables you to share photos, videos, and music wirelessly. App-specific casting lets supported applications stream content directly to your television. To use AirPlay with your Skyworth television, your TV must meet specific technical requirements. These requirements ensure optimal streaming performance and compatibility. Your Skyworth TV must run Android TV version 9.0 or later, or be equipped with Google TV platform. These operating systems provide the necessary framework for AirPlay 2 integration. Wi-Fi connectivity is crucial for AirPlay functionality. Your Skyworth TV should support Wi-Fi 802.11ac at minimum, though Wi-Fi 6 is preferred for enhanced performance and reduced latency. Your Skyworth TV requires a minimum of 2 GB RAM for optimal streaming performance. Additionally, ensure your TV firmware is updated to 2024 or later versions to access the latest AirPlay compatibility features. Your iPhone must be updated to iOS 17.5 or later to ensure full AirPlay compatibility with Skyworth TVs. This version includes enhanced streaming protocols and improved device discovery features. Proper network configuration is essential for successful AirPlay streaming. Both your iPhone and Skyworth TV must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. The 5 GHz band is preferred for reduced interference. For 4K content streaming, ensure your internet connection provides at least 25 Mbps bandwidth. These requirements ensure optimal AirPlay performance between your iPhone and Skyworth TV. Subscribe to our channel for more comprehensive technology tutorials and setup guides. To configure AirPlay on your Skyworth TV, begin by accessing the television's Settings menu. Navigate to Settings, then Device Preferences, and locate the AirPlay and HomeKit option. Toggle the AirPlay setting to the On position and configure your preferred access permissions. You may choose from options such as Everyone, Same Network, or Password Required depending on your security preferences. On your iPhone, access the Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen. Locate and tap the screen mirroring icon to display available devices. Select your Skyworth television from the list of available devices. If prompted, enter the AirPlay code that appears on your TV screen to establish the connection. Common connection issues can typically be resolved through several troubleshooting methods. Connection failures often occur due to network problems and can be addressed by restarting your router and ensuring both devices have updated firmware. Audio synchronization issues can be resolved through your television's audio delay compensation settings. Access your TV's audio menu and adjust the lip sync or audio delay settings to match the video content. For optimal AirPlay performance, implement these best practices. Use a dedicated streaming router when possible. Maintain a distance of no more than 20 feet between your iPhone and television, and close unnecessary applications on your iPhone before initiating streaming sessions. If you found this AirPlay configuration and troubleshooting guide helpful, please subscribe to the channel for more technical tutorials and streaming solutions.